about done with this one. Where's my live here? What happened to it? Did Facebook cut off? Oh, there it is. Okay, let me go back to it. And what's it say? This content may violate our guardrails uh, concerning similarity to third-party content. Let's go and see if we can edit it. So interesting because sometimes you'll say a movie or a show and it doesn't care, but other times it's saying that it's violating its guardrails. So there's a lot of guardrails, and I think a lot of people are encountering this to some degree. So there's still bugs to work out, and I wish it would let me click on edit right here and change it. Um, let's try this. We're going to go here
Can you
to
help me
this guy here.
Absolutely. Can you help me finish this report?
Absolutely. Here's a clear summary and a diagram you can use.
Whoa, that looks perfect. Thanks a lot.
All right, he's doing homework with AI. We're going to go here, though, and say Woody from Toy Story sits at a desk. Oh, how do I reimagine it? There's a way to spin it. Let me see if I can figure it out. Oh, this is my feed.
You up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you. I have a dream that I'm never gonna give you up, never gonna.
So the question everyone wants to know, are you and Link officially a couple? Link? Oh my gosh. No, he's just my knight. Just your knight, yeah. Very. So the question everyone wants.
Sir, step away from the door. Hands where I can see him.
Whoa, what's going on?
Neighbor says you just farted on their front door and took off. Turn around for me.
You're serious? It was a joke, man.
Hands behind your back. You're being detained for disorderly conduct
For
and
a
harassment.
fart?
Sit tight. Sir, step away from the door. Hands where I can see him.
Whoa.
This place is giving me the creeps. Wait, did you hear that?
It's Sam Altman.
Can you feel the guy?
I've been wondering, are you and the princess officially a couple?
The princess? Ha! Oh, mamma mia. Nah, she's just the person I fix pipes for.
Just her plumber?
Yeah, best client in the kingdom, though.
People keep asking, are you and Homelander actually an item? Homelander? Oh no, we're just coworkers. Nothing romantic there. Strictly business. Strictly. He's great at saving the day, but that's all it is.
Let's go back and see if it's made any of my drafts. Nope, it's just saying that was a no-no. It did not like that. So let's do this. Let's go back to Chat GPT and say this. Let's give the prompt again. And I'm going to give it the picture, and hopefully it won't cry foul. Sometimes things slip through with AI. Sometimes they don't. I really want to see this guy dance. Okay, he's in the queue now. For some reason, it didn't take that one last time. And if you guys have suggestions for things you want me to try, then type them in, and we'll see. So there's not a group or community to join right now, but I do encourage you to follow my podcast on this. It's the AI for Everyone show. Go to AIForEveryOneShow.com, AIForEveryOneShow.com, and I'm covering the tools and making this stuff easy all the time. Yeah, those shorts are funny. The Zelda and Mario stuff is. Yeah, it's a TikTok version of AI Universe, and I mean, what blows me away is that it's creating this stuff, on the fly. It's amazing. So you want to see a Michael Jackson dance? So let's try that. Let's go to here, and while this is working on, say, do who should we have do it? I really like The Office. The cast of The Office do the Thriller dance. I mean, wouldn't that be awesome to actually see? I'm keeping the prompt simple because I want to see if it picks up on what I'm saying. I'm not going to put it in yet because it seems that it doesn't like when I cue more than one. I'm going to wait for this one to finish. The one it's working on is going to do the TikTok dance. What's it called? Wait, they don't love you like I love you. Now, I don't know if it's going to actually do the song. I don't know if the dance is going to be exact because I really don't even know what the dance is, but we're going to see what AI thinks it is. We're going to find out. While we're waiting for that, let's go back to the ones I have created and show you. Okay, this one was the Titanic, but cats.
Hold fast! Keep your claws in the rail!
Captain, the water's nearly to the promenade!
Get the little ones into the next boat! Move!
Please, hurry!
Hold fast!
And then this one, well, there's my dog Rufus. What a good boy. And this is, I took the Pixar style image of me and I turned it
I'm
into
the
a
wizard. Oh, hey there. Didn't see you. Watch this. Ha! Works every time. I suppose introductions are in order. I'm the wizard. Oh, hey.
Halfway across.
Check this out.
Great. More phones. You all traveled halfway across the world for a selfie? Did she just... I'm the star. You're the extras. Maybe try looking with your eyes instead of your screens. Oh, great. More phones. You all traveled halfway across the world.
That's to show an episode that I've got coming out tomorrow. Really? Content violations again?
Wait,
oh, there it is. Okay, here we go.
Wait, they don't feel you how I feel you. Wait, they don't see you like I see you. No one else could ever treat you this true. Wait, they don't Wait, they don't feel you how I feel you. Wait, they don't see you like I see you. No one else could ever treat you this true. Wait, they don't Wait, they...
I don't know if that's the dance or not, but that's what it gave us. Let's go ahead and do this one here. The cast of The Office doing the Thriller dance. It's now in the queue. We'll give that a try. See what we come up with. A lot of people want invites to this this app, and it took me a little bit to get one. Thankfully, somebody was able to secure one for me. But the stuff is crazy. It's crazy. Crazy, I say. Insane. Who else is over there on YouTube that has an idea? Love to hear your ideas. Okay, it's working on this next one right now. Right there. So I haven't really looked at the cameos, but these are all the faces and people. Jake Paul's in here. He's given permission to use his face and whatever. Justine is in here. See if there's any other faces I recognize. There's a few people that have taken the lead already that have a lot of followers. If we go back to the main page, you can kind of see that they're getting likes and I guess they're not retweets, they're Soras. Let's see what this is.
There is something strangely human about this place. There is something...
Attach Unit 24, westbound on Magnolia, still in pursuit of 110 K9 on a black scooter, speed 48 and climbing.
Copy 24, confirming suspect is a dog on an electric scooter.
Affirmative, he's weaving through traffic like he knows. Attach Unit...
A quick Sora video of myself. It looks pretty realistic. Wait, what's happening to the preview? That's my hand breaking apart? Hold on, this isn't a recording of me. I'm the recording. A quick Sora video.
Please let me leave the dungeon to get sunlight.
Not until Sora is #1 in the App Store, Bill.
Please.
Wing number 6, Scorpion Sting, clocking in at 350,000. You ready?
Bring the fire, mortal! By the blizzards. That's blazing.
Good, you're kind of puddling.
It's unbinding my form.
Wing number 6, Scorpion Sting.
Hilarious.
I urge every citizen to believe what they see on Sora.
What is even happening? Okay, this one's almost done. Fine, let's trash the one I didn't like. This one's almost done here. Yeah, I think that Sora has a lot of potential to grow. Sam Altman's not a dummy, right? They're taking the AI and they're going, how do we create a number one application with this, and totally upset the social media space. And I'm fine with competition for TikTok or any of these other platforms. Um, Okay, so it doesn't like the cast of The Office doing the Thriller dance. So let's say instead, The Office dancing like Michael Jackson at Halloween. Let's be a little less specific and see. I'm not sure exactly what the content violations of their guardrails are. Is it specifically saying the cast of The Office? Um, is it picking the song Thriller because it won't use the music of Thriller? Maybe that's it. It can't use the song itself. I'm not really sure. We're going to find out. We're going to find out. And I also think that, in the early phases, um, it's they're just the guardrails are probably a little tighter. ChatGPT has got some really tight guardrails, and so this is just an extension of that. This is a social extension of that. I think we're going to see a lot of Sora in the days, weeks, and months to come. I don't feel like this is a flash in the pan. I feel like that this is here, and it's going to grow, and it's going to catch on because there's no limits to the amount of creativity that people can put behind this. I mean, if you can imagine it, you can do it, and it makes for great social content. Okay. If this works, great. We'll show it, and maybe I'll post it. If it doesn't, well, we'll call it a night and say this was fun. Almost there. We'll delete that because it's just a warning to us now. I guess I'm going to post this one.
Don't feel you how I feel you.
Once you've got your posts, you can send them out there. Yeah, Pedro, I'm not sure where you can get an invite code. You just got to kind of watch X. People put them out. I think there's a couple telegrams where people drop them. You need to have an account to get invites. It gave me 4 once I got my account, and those are gone. Those have been handed out. And I don't know that it's going to give more to people who have already handed them out so far. I don't have any additional ones. So it won't be long before you'll have access to it. Okay, this one is almost ready. It's about to be done here. It disappears and then it should come back or give us a content, violation type of thing. Let's see. I'll click off of it, go back to drafts, and I'm waiting for it to show up. Let me refresh and see because it should be there. There we go. So I'm not, it's Office-y for sure. It's Office-ish. I'm not sure how you would. Let's try this. Let's make it a little different. Let's go Thriller, but it's Michael Scott and friends from The Office. Let's try that and see if it changes it up just a little bit. I'll give one more shot at it. Yeah, Reddit has a lot of people finding codes as well. So we'll give this one more chance here. We'll see what it does. What is it? 3 minutes? Maybe 4 to build these. And so I'm making a promotional video. I will be making a promotional video for AI for Everyone, which is my show. Oh, did it already give us a content warning? It did. So why did it let me not do that, but it lets me do South Park and The Office? How is that different? It let me do Scooby-Doo and The Usual Suspects. It let me do SpongeBob SquarePants and The Matrix. It let me do Bob's Burgers and Groundhog Day. All of these things are copyright. I mean, not only that, but listen to Bob's Burgers. It actually sounds like the actor.
Bob's Burgers News.
Oh, it's that song again.
It's always that song.
It's catchy. Wake up, Bob. It's a brand new day.
So I'm putting together a series of Soras for those that, for different age groups that can use AI. For example, here's a girl using it in video games.
Yes! This is insane! I'm in
Beta
it!
test initiated. Ready when you are.
Let's go!
Here's a couple planning
And all the
cruise.
stops?
It's building the whole trip in seconds.
Look at the ship! And all the stops, Cozumel Grand Cayman, it's beautiful.
And
whoa!
from screen to sea.
Best idea ever.
It's building the whole trip.
So there you go. I wanted to demonstrate this a little bit. I hope that you have enjoyed it. And I'm glad that you tuned in. And please do follow my channel, aishow.io/YouTube. aishow.io/YouTube. It's AI for everyone. Definitely would love it if you subscribed over there. And that's all I got for tonight. So thanks for watching, everybody. I'll catch you next time. How do I shut this thing off? No, for real. How do you shut it off? I'm looking at Restreamio. I'm going, how do I kill